What's up, guy?
I want to shoot my monkey down with a rock.
Also, guys, I am secretary. I got a secretary class. I got good at this game. I don't know how. Sakadim Saku. Okay, guys, I am back. I am. Yes. So let's go. So let's go. Pandis. Dried eyes. Eye drops, eye drops, eye drops, eye drops, eye drops, eye drops. Dropping my eye. Hiya! You know what? You want eye drops, bro? You want to drink eye drops? Drinking eye drops is good for our eyes. I'm gonna drink eye drops. Tastes like shit. Some advice: if things get strange, just keep working. Well, you ain't working, but I will fix up the shutters and the security cameras for you. Yay! Yay! Yup! Camera. Camel. Who's the best? Devo. Devo's the best. Yeah! I predicted it. I predict. Who the fuck? Don't worry. Don't worry. I can treat him. I can treat him. Should I close the shutters? Thanks, I will be on realm too. I will give you eye drops because you have no eyes. Go faster. Move faster. Move faster. You know, take DNA sample. Scan it. Drink some eye drops. Drink. Drink. I am force feeding my patients. You want some eye drops? Eye drops. Eye drops. Eye drop. Bro, I just gave him eye drops. You want eye drops also? You want eye drops also? Do you want eye drops too? Do you want eye drops too? I will give you eye drops. Drink it. If you don't drink it, I'll shove it up your ass. There's no Maxwell picture. Do you want eye drops? I will give you eye drops. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing. Hello. Hello. How are you? How are you? Up. Come right down. Oh my fucking god. 1 second. Oh no second. Oh no second. Camera fixed. Coffee. 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 Up. Thanks. I will be in room 2. Falak you. I got coffee and you did it. Devo. Zevo. Devo, look what I got. Look what I got. I got coffee. Coffee. Go. What do you want? I'll backshop the computer. What do you want? Dehydration? You're dehydrated. Do you want maple syrup? Do you want IV drops? Fuck you. Give her IV drops or I'll give her eye drops. Room 5 with the hazmat Maxwell cat. Bro, let's call room 5 let's call room 5 hazmat Maxwell cat. And room 1 Maxwell and room 2 Dr. Maxwell. Come to Dr. Maxwell. You know what, bro? I am taking fire extinguisher and you don't. They would it good. They would it good. I repeat, they would it good. Barney! The coffee machine is broken. The coffee machine is broken. The caffeine machine is broken. It is broken. I am broken. Do you want foam instead? Do you want foam? No! No! No. 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 Open. 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 No. 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 What is he doing? What is he doing? What is he doing? What is he doing? Can we kick this? Okay, I'll give you coffee. I'll give you this. What the hell are you doing? Where are you? You're here? Okay, Halva. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it! Give him a fire extinguisher. Bro! Oh, he left! Yeah! He left. He left. Give him the coffee. Give him the coffee. Give him the coffee, you stupid. You don't need that. I'ma buy extra window because I have money. Yeah. Oh wait, faster computer. I thought I bought extra check-in window. Where is extra check-in window? Oh. How to grind money? Devo, do you need to go to a mental hospital? I am a mental physiologist. I'm a mental therapist. Who got you smiling like that, bro? Like, Jesus Christ. You know what, bro? Bro, remember that meme? Sakadim, kadum, kadim. Sakadim kadim pain. Do you want to do something? You look like you're going to commit arson. You're going to commit arson? Why are eyes so huge? Come to the room with the heartbeat monitor. So take your sample. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Do this. Boom boom. Boom. Boom boom. Boom. Boom boom. Boom boom. Boom boom. 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 Boom boom. Boom boom. Boom boom. Boom boom. Boom. Okay, now you're recovering. Do you want the extinguisher treatment? Do you want ekarika kokereka? Do you want ekarika tikadaga ragateka tikateka rakateka tuguduka 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 tukadaga? You want fire extinguisher? Do you want a fire extinguisher? Do you want eye drops? Sakadim kadum kadim. Bro, wait. Sakadim kadum maki. Ah! One second, I'll come help you. Sakadim kadum kadim. Ah! You good? You go, bro. Your eyes. Your Who the hell is this? Hello, short man. Hello, SpongeBob. You are okay. There is a stalker outside the house. Hello, stalker. Stalker, where are you?
Friends, where are you?
Coffee! I got coffee! What did you say? You will be in room 6? Go to room 6, bro. Go to room 6. Room at? What the hell is that? Can you leave, bro? Not you. Can you leave? Can you leave? Stupido, can you leak? Go leave, bro. Go leave. Leave. Go leak. Leave, bro. You not? Okay, thank you. Ding, 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 ding. Shut your bitches up. I am hurrying up. Stupid bitch. You are okay. Depends on how unscary it is. It is very unscary.
Bro, I really need a doctor.
You need a doctor. You need a doctor. A doctor away keeps the apples. What the heck? Bro. Guess what? A doctor away. A doctor a day keeps a doctor. Doctor a day keeps an apple away. You want coffee? In 62 seconds. Give coffee. You want fire extinguisher? You want a scalpel? Do you want a knife? I'll give you a knife. I can do this. Fever, dehydration, bleeding. Take the IV drops. Take the IV drops. I'll take the thermometer. Bro is recovering. He's recovering. He is recovering. Give him some coffee. Falak you. No. Can we open it? Bro, what if we reject the suitcase? Bro, what happens if we reject the suitcase? Reject it. Can we open it? Open it. What? Who the hell? I heard some sound. Is there a hider? Don't tell me there's a hider. I swear to God, if there's a hider, I will kick the shit out of her. Oh. She's anomaly. Her neck is twitching. Do you want eye drops? Do you want eye drops?
No, let him in. I know what to do with him.
Give him eye drops.
Who are you? This is the dude who plays JJ.
Take
You are the
picture.
one who plays JJ. Are you the jobless person who plays JJ?
What the hell?
Fucking friend. Okay, I left. Monkey, come here right now. Come here.
Uh,
What?
what's-
Nani.